Kasuka dalam tasngi ke sidi kejumang ajal pesan kalau menjur ya ke vehicle scrappage policy ban khang no igi kali rim ban ya jasrok pat kani kalau angkat kum ke polisi kasuka prank papentip kani hadim bawai ke jilang ke kabinet mata kasngi unong aitin kasuka badai ru mentis ba polong do long ba kitu kali bumlong syu negi bralim kin ngat akan ke polisi polong ba kejing mentoy kalau ban penduk no kejing jebok ke kejing penduna ya ke pendun kam petrol ban sinabi yang kitil ke bralim susu ba polong ba kikali Sorkar ba dap khasan Snem kin hab bandi ne ban penkela marjot no kat bagi kali Shimet kitu ba live san Snem kin hab ban penkela marjot ne daily lam no ong bak Sorkar sasim sian kan sepenmi jing berpena ban petrikam yang ni polisi
before the cabinet was that, as is being done in the rest of the country, where you have a vehicle scrappage policy, whereby old, dilapidated, and cars which are no longer roadworthy will come under this policy. The major benefit of having this policy is to allow the government to reduce pollution levels through less emission, reduce fuel import, which means less extraction, and recycling of raw materials. And at the moment, as I mentioned, government vehicles of 15 years and older, irrespective of whichever, like whether they belong to corporations or boards or any other entities, those which are 15 years and older will be scrapped and come under this scrappage policy, and private vehicles which are 35 years and older than 262 vehicles, followed by Tura and Jawai. We will now start addressing concerns relating to air pollution caused by inefficient and old vehicles. However, taking into account the overall economic condition of the people of the state, we will address the matter by first taking off government vehicles which are 15 years and older. This will roughly mean that around 5,000 government vehicles will come under this scrappage policy and therefore would be off the roads. Where private owned vehicles are concerned, we have decided to first implement by limiting this policy only to vehicles which are 35 years and older. Altogether, there are roughly 8,000 such vehicles. So 8 plus 5, altogether 13,000 vehicles will be off the roads as per this new policy.